Hello! I want to show you super easy crochet pattern. It's a kind of a V-stitch crochet and it's perfect for summer projects. I'm going to begin with a slip knot and I'm going to chain the foundation. The number of chain has to be even and I'm going to keep chaining as long as I need for my project. Now I'm gonna to begin row 1 with chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the 6th chain from the hook I'm going to make the treble crochet stitch. So yarn over twice, go in, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now I'm going to make double in that stitch from the previous treble. So go in, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now you can see the first V-stitch. Now I'm going to skip one and repeat the V-stitch. So treble crochet, and double crochet. Between each V-stitch I'm going to skip one. So again, skip one, treble crochet, and double crochet. Skip one and repeat. I'm going to finish the row with one treble in the very last stitch of the foundation. Row 2 I'm going to begin with chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn it, and I'm going to crochet the V-stitch in each space of previous V. So one treble in the space, and one double crochet, and repeat till the end of the row. So one treble in the space and one double. This crochet is very easy even for beginners, and let me know if you like my new style video with voiceover by clicking the like button, or let me know in the comment. And now I'm going to finish the row with skip 1 and treble crochet. And the second row I'm going to repeat again and again and again. So chain 4, turn it and V-stitch into each space of previous V. I hope you like this pattern as I do. Thank you for watching my tutorials and I hope to see you next time.